Hey guys, so this is the application I use to schedule to all my social networks, including my Instagram account. This has allowed me to grow my followers because it allows me to stay consistent across all platforms. That way I'm getting the most exposure to a bunch of people across the world on every social network. So I will leave a link of Greatly Social in the description of this video, or you can just search Greatly Social on Google or type greatlysocial.com in your URL, but you'll land on this page and you'll see a sign up button in the top right hand corner. You can't see it now because I'm already logged in, but you can go ahead and click sign up, enter your name, email, set your time zone for the scheduling purposes, and then you will land on this dashboard page when you are logged in. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to this account manager page on the left sidebar. On this account manager page, this is where you're going to be able to connect all your social media accounts, and for this purpose just going to walk through the Facebook account connection. I already have a page connected, but if you don't, you'll see one of these add account buttons underneath the Facebook account section. You can go ahead and click that, or you can click this plus icon in the top right hand corner. From here you'll just log in through Facebook, choose the pages or groups that you're the admin of that you'd like to post to, and then connect your account. And there's two different options for posting. You can post individually to each account if you'd like to: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. What I like to do is use this post to all feature. This allows me to post to all my accounts at the same time. I can create one post and schedule it to all my accounts. I can set up a month worth of posts in about 20 minutes, and it will go to my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google account, and YouTube. It's pretty amazing. Saves you tons of time. So for this purpose, we're just going to walk through posting to Facebook. Go ahead and click off the page that you'd like to post to. Check it off right there. And then you can either select photo, video, text, or link type posts. For this video, I'm going to just use a photo type post, and you can add a caption here. And to upload a photo, you can either import it from your Greatly Social storage. If you have already uploaded photos, it'll save there. That's what I'm going to do for this video. But you do have the option to upload from your computer, import from your Google Drive or your Dropbox account. Now to schedule, all you would do is just check off the schedule box, and then you'll have a couple different options. Under the time post section, you can just click that, and this calendar will pop up where you can choose the date and then the time you'd like this posted. So this is next week at noon, and I'm just going to leave this repeat frequency on once, but if you'd like to auto post this every X amount of days, you do have that option. But I'm just going to leave that for once for now, and then just click the schedule post button, and I got a little notification that my post has been scheduled. So to see all of your scheduled posts, you can just go to the calendar page on the left sidebar, and it'll give you all the scheduled posts that you've set up already. So this is a great way to stay organized and to constantly post to your feeds, because this is one of the biggest factors for each one of the algorithms on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. To get the most exposure to your account, you need to be posting frequently. And I find an application like this allows me to stay consistent with my posting. And again, I can set up a month's worth of posts in about 20 minutes, and I don't have to worry about posting at all for the rest of the month on every one of my accounts. So the post will go out automatically, and I will continue to grow my followers across all my social network. I highly recommend this. I'm pretty familiar with the program, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer it. But if this video helps you, I greatly appreciate a like on the video. This will allow me to continue to make videos like this in the future. But I appreciate you watching the video, and I hope this helps.